What are you doing to her? She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Hey, you. You jealous? You jealous? Everybody's picking on Big Mama while she's trying to bathe. Poor thing, she just wants to dust bathe. Sometimes chickens just weird me out. She just wants to dust bathe. Right? Yeah. What, honey? You don't want to be on camera? Oh, you kicked her out of her dust bath, meanie. Hey, Big Mama. Dirty girl? Are you a dirty girl? Are you a dirty girl? She's like, I tried to take a bath. Yeah. She's just hanging out with me. I want to watch the other ladies. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a wet day. It's a very wet day. Nobody's happy. They're bored. They're bored. Aren't you? Yeah. That's my coat. That's my raincoat, honey. It's not food. It's not food. Yeah. And those ones still hanging out under the Shelter Logic way over there. Looks like she's sitting on her water bowl, but she's not. She's on a roost. Yeah, what are you pecking at, Colonel? She says, when is it my turn? This one was falling asleep earlier. She was falling asleep on me. What are you doing, Lady Lay? Lady Lay, what? Yeah? You gonna go get a snack? You gonna go get a snack? Yeah, she says, I'm gonna go get a snack. I could sit out here for hours. I could sit out here for hours watching these darn birds do whatever birds do. Yeah. Little chickens. My little chickens. They're gonna be a year old this week. A year old. It's crazy. She's just hanging out. She's just hanging out. Hi, chicken. Every time I try to let her off, she won't get down. She just wants to hang out with me, I guess. It's warm. She wants to be warm. Yeah. She wants to be warm. She's a good chicken. There's her sister. She's like, what are you doing to her? There's Alfalfa. Yeah. Hi. Pretty girl. Yeah, pretty girl. Alright. Woo! Let's see if this one will get down, huh? Yeah, I didn't think she was gonna get down. Would you leave her alone over there? My goodness. My goodness, Mama. Nobody wants to leave you alone. Poor chicken. Alright, Cuddles, you gotta get off my lap, honey. Come on. Don't you get down, honey. Come on. Come on, get down. Go on. There you go. Good girl. Okay. Moving on.